Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern. It involves cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. It is not about what you eat, it is about when you eat. People try intermittent fasting for weight loss, improving health, and simplifying their lives. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting. One common method is the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating only during an 8-hour window. Another method is the 5-2 diet. This involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calories to 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. Intermittent fasting is not a diet in the traditional sense. It is a pattern of eating. It is important to note that intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and people with certain medical conditions should not fast without consulting their doctor. Our bodies rely on glucose for energy. Glucose comes from the carbohydrates we eat. When we eat, our bodies store excess glucose as glycogen in the liver and muscles. When we fast, our bodies use up stored glycogen for energy. After about 12 hours of fasting, our bodies deplete glycogen stores. The body then needs a new energy source. This is where the metabolic switch happens. The body starts breaking down stored fat into ketones. Ketones become the primary fuel source during fasting. This metabolic switch has several implications. It promotes fat burning and weight loss. It also improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity refers to how well our bodies respond to insulin. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits. Beyond weight loss, studies suggest it might offer various advantages. These include improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, and cellular repair. Weight loss is a common reason people try intermittent fasting. By reducing the eating window, it naturally restricts calorie intake. This can lead to a calorie deficit, a key factor in weight loss. Additionally, the metabolic switch enhances fat burning, further aiding weight management. Improved insulin sensitivity is another notable benefit. Intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving the body's response to insulin. This is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of type 2 diabetes or those with insulin resistance. While intermittent fasting offers potential benefits, it is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It is crucial to approach it with caution and consult your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Certain individuals should avoid intermittent fasting. This includes pregnant and breastfeeding women, individuals with diabetes or a history of eating disorders, and those taking specific medications. It's always best to prioritize your health and seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional. When implementing intermittent fasting, start gradually. Begin with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase the duration as your body adjusts. Pay attention to your body's signals and break your fast if you experience any severe discomfort. Remember, listening to your body is key.